What's going on, Doug?
Well, we're having to grind some reliefs in the valve covers. These nice, badass looking Edelbrock valve covers. Just a tiny bit snug. Been working on that. Those little washers, they go everywhere.
What's your process to this? Figuring out if it's flush or not?
Grind, fit, grind, fit, grind, fit, grind, fit. Grind some more.
How do you tell if there's gaps though? Like, are you just getting over there and looking, or?
I'm looking for the gasket not to float. You know, I gotta keep my hair nice for a reunion this month, about the 16th, I think, the all 70s reunion back in Vandalia, Ohio, and old shop dad's gonna hit that, get me some pizza.
I was wondering where you were going with that. I was like, what are you gonna hit, Doug? Hit that pizza. I like it. Sounds delicious. Sounds delicious. Well, you're gonna be killing the hair game, that's for sure. I'm not too sure there's that many classmates of yours that are YouTube celebrities such as yourself.
I don't know. Wonder what they're all doing. Of course, I have buddies back there that I stay with. They loan me cars. I'm really well taken care of back there. I don't know, Eric. I'm not liking the fit yet. I'm afraid I'm gonna have to grind some more off.
Well, this time around when you take it off, we can show everybody what's underneath.
Sometimes it gets a little tight.
What's going on, YouTube? Trying to piece together a new rear end for the gasser we've been working on lately.
Yeah, how's that going?
All electrical's done. We wanted to check the rear end out, and still had the original like 57 style rear end in it. And both the axles were twisted, so now we're building a 9-inch, putting disc brakes in the back. And even down the road, shop dad's making too much noise back there. He acts like he's busy.
That's almost diarrhea on myself.
What?
I lifted up the fart.
Oh!
And it was solid. It didn't hit cotton though.
Close.
Or should I say, in my case, leather.
That motorcycle hurt?
Yeah.
So you were talking about the rear end being very jacked up on the...
Yeah, it's of course, you know, it's making more power than way more power than it did originally. And anyways, we got here to do the wiring, got the wiring done. It had a real severe differential oil leak. So he asked us to, you know, go ahead and pull it apart, check it out, seal it back up. But anyways, we pulled the axles out of it, and the splines on the axles, they actually twisted. We have now decided to build a 4 9-inch modular section and put some bigger splined axles in there. Should take care of that. Put the disc brakes on the back. We got to get the differential. We have to get the differential put together and get it mounted into the axle housing so we can start to measure to get so I can get the axle bore report so we can finish it up. And then we'll have Mr. Potter weld new ladder bar brackets to it, and we'll pat that little baby on the butt and send her home. Hey, and if anybody at QT wants to hook us up with about 3 or 4 gallons of tea, much obliged.
action, Bruce.
Trying to.
So this is going to be a black mirror by the time you get done with it.
Yeah. Yeah. It's looking good at that. Have you filmed that yet?
Huh?
Have you filmed it yet, like for YouTube?
The truck?
Yeah.
I don't think so. I took the picture, which those pictures are killer. If you guys hadn't seen the pictures of that, I believe Casey posted them on the Instagram. So yeah, go to @Casey's Paint Shop, or you could always go to Bruce's Instagram too. He's got some sick stuff. What's yours?
@BruceWayneLuna.
There you go. Yeah.
So this is the final product of that last video that showed me. Was I wet sanding this from the last video?
I don't know. And it's been so long. I feel bad.
But that's what it looks like now. It's like a mirror. Look at that.
Wow. That just looks insane.
A lot of sanding to get up to that point right there.
And so that's what you're doing on that fender in there right now?
Yeah. Go 600, 800, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 6,000. I mean 6,000. What did I say? 2,000, 3,000.
Oh, I was like, wow.
3,000 and then 5,000 and then a buff and polish, which by the time you get to 5,000 it's pretty much back shiny again. It really doesn't take much to buff it back out after that.
Is that where you were getting to with the back today?
The back?
Yeah, you were polishing that?
Yeah. Yeah, I just polished the top areas since you kind of see it with the bed sitting like right there somewhere. And then it has the cover on it too.
Well, it looks nice considering you won't ever see it.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. I think this whole truck is going to be really, really nice. I mean,
Dude, this is going to be one of the nicest 454s out there. I mean, I'm not like a 454 connoisseur by any means, but
yeah.
some of the, after I posted the pictures, some of those 454 pages were hitting me up on Instagram asking me to post photos of it when it's done.
Yeah, it'll definitely be like one of the nicer OBS trucks, I guess you would say.
Uh-huh.
It'd be one of the nicer ones, I would think. It's definitely got a really nice paint job for the truck that it is, I think.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We don't work on Jaguars. Not that I'm aware of.
Man, we don't work on import stuff here.
Hey, you watch it.
We keep the import stuff on that side of the road. You gotta stay on that side of the tracks if you're gonna be an import guy.
Whatever, Bruce. We're not about to have this discussion, sir.
I like imports. I'm a big fan of imports, actually.
I love everything, but yes, I'm very drawn to imports.
That's why I'm excited to get to do that Mercedes. It'll be our first import that we get to do.
I thought you were fixing to say you were excited to work on my car.
Oh yeah, yours needs a lot of work before it gets to me. Just another Thursday in the hood over there.
Yeah, that's definitely a repo.
Yeah, it's bagged in the front. Look at that.
Yeah. Clearly, of the garage door above you.
That's right. Hey, Eric!
What's going on, Doug?
Happy Friday.
Happy Thriday?
Happy Thriday. Friday.
Still Thursday though, Doug.
Yeah, I know. Just hanging out, waiting on our air-conditioned shop.
I think it's going to be a while.
Casey, I don't know how many years I got left.
It come down. We're about like 68% humidity.
Oh, did we?
Yeah.
Drop? Good.
It dropped. Well, we're sneaking on up to about 90.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
I might have to get an Eric haircut. You know, if it keeps staying hot in here.
Might have to shave down the sidewalls a little there.
Yep.
Get the old high and tight.
Is that what they call that?
I guess. Just call it the same old haircut that everybody gets. That one haircut that every barber gives.
So,
No, it came to show off your custom intake that you made.
My cut some intake.
Your cut some intake.
My cut some intake. I'm gonna be nice and quiet today.
No, you're
Shut up, Doug.
not. Zach, I couldn't stand it. I need to hear you talk.
I'm just not gonna talk with Eric. I mean, you can only have intelligent conversations with intelligent people, so I mean,
That rules us out.
I mean, all I'm left with is myself to talk to.
I mean, are you a little booty hurt over yesterday's video or what?
No, I haven't even seen yesterday's video. What are you talking about? What happened in yesterday's video?
All I'll do is drive around, eat snow cones and stuff.
That would be Zach in the most saltiest way possible.
Wish I could just drive around and eat snow cones and work on my own car up at the shop. Whoa. That's what he does, hey.
Whatever, you told me first thing this morning that you watched it.
Talking about working on. Wish I could work on my car, but you need me to work on your car, so you can have parts, so you can work on yours this weekend. That's true. That part.
That does sound like a nice plan. You know, get it on all fours.
I'll work on it. I'll get it probably Sunday night or something. Now I got to get the body off my car sometime. That's not fun.
Well, maybe we can make a video out of that.
I'm about to mock up the motor though.
There you go.
I'm not doing a big block anymore.
Been a little bit of a change of plan since the last time you talked about it.
I've turned to the dark side. LS. Supercharged. Well, when you're around, like, we got 4 cars in here and 3 of them are supercharged, so now I have to have a supercharger. They're fun.
And I'll race your car one day when you finally decide to finish it.
All right. I'll race your car whenever you finally get it wired.
It doesn't need to be wired. It runs right now.
Oh, you want to race with it right now?
Yeah, sure.
I'll push mine right now and I'll still beat you.
I don't think so.
Oh, yeah.
I'll lift up the back of that thing and dead man lift it all across the parking lot.
We'd have a drag race out front, part pushing the
Keep
car.
pushing it, I'm like picking up the back end.
You're wheelbarrowing yours and I'm pushing mine. At least I was smart.
That's the race to get number 10 on the list.
There we go. Gotta get Zach on that.
We've got our new top 10 list, and I think he's going to be the new number 1 in the boss lady's old truck.
I don't know, that Super Duty's got some low end pull.
That's what KC was saying, so I don't know. They're going to have to race for it.
Road outlaws.
Parking lot warriors. Air intake before, but the customer wanted a dual filters. He likes symmetrical, so he wanted the symmetrical filters on it.
So you did some magic and made it symmetrical.
So yeah, now I gotta pull the whole car apart to get these out so we can repaint them.
So Zach even hooked his brother up today, got the AC condenser welded up for the uni, so I can put a hood back on him.
Well, what Zach was talking about working on for me is these are the stub shafts that go onto my Z, and well, really the only thing that holds them on is these nut that keeps the wheel on. And I guess from the factory they come, I guess they pinch or squeeze or whatever the bolts in, as you can see. It's not too bad on this one. The other one's a little bit more boogered up here, but anyways, a little stripped out and worked over there, so Zach's gonna smooth these out on the lathe and rethread or just clearance it so I can get this on here and start threading it back on. These 2 stubs are the only thing holding me up from getting the rear wheels on and getting it set back down, so hopefully I'll have some progress going on that. It's a new employee video.
Oh. Hi.
This is Kim. This is Casey's mom.
Yep.
She's cleaning house around here.
Yep. My lifelong job.
Your lifelong.
Yeah. Sign up for it.
Yeah, we have a video.
You're in forever.
We're filming a video in here this weekend, so Kim's making it look nice and clean and white, so that way I don't have to overexpose it to make it look clean.
Yeah.
All right, so it's Friday. We're here with
Thriday.
yes, Thriday.
Hey,
We're here
how
with
you doing,
Derek. Probably seen him working in some of the other videos. He's working out on the lube center / car wash, revamping that bad boy up.
finally done.
You might notice this truck. It's probably going to be the new #1 on the list, on KC's new top 10 list, and it's Boss Lady's old truck. So why don't you tell us how you got a hold of this?
Well, I've been after this thing for a long time, and they called me up, said they traded it in on her new truck, so I went and got it. Well, this truck got a 5.0 supercharged on it, it's over 600 horsepower. I think it's like 620, 625.
So what gets you to 600?
Let's show you. It's like opening a jewelry box.
Oh, I got it exposed for under here. It's a little dark. Zachary.
It's one of them there things, you know, them things.
Smells like 620.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You doing sign language, Keith?
Yeah, I got confused. I forgot that shit got another truck. I was looking for the Boss Lady and
My boss lady.
Yeah, we were excited, Derek, when you pulled up because we thought it was paychecks coming.
Oh, oh, it is Friday for you. I forgot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the new #1 on the
Number
list,
one on the list.
on KC's top 10 list.
We have to find out.
Yep, there's only one way to find out.
Get Eric's on the list.
Yeah, mine's got a ways to go. Probably use some brakes first.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Brakes.
Since you don't have a suit on it.
Yeah.
Street Outlaws, Everman, Texas. Can we say that?
Maybe. I don't know. Say it until they tell us we can't.
Right.
Thanks for watching.